Only negative thing is when we're in an actual race and you get too far ahead from me, it turns your damn. I tried to rant to you. It turns the camera off,
Yeah.
so I can't see you. Like in free run. Oh, I hit you!
Oh, I lost my crown.
Oh, no way! Alright, so let's try installing Mario Kart. I guess through here, Nintendo eShop. Through me. Enter code at the bottom, right? Okay, so got that done. Virtual game program. Oh, okay. Oh, that's gonna take a while. Let's figure out how to add. How do you add friends? Let's test out game chat. That's all. What? That's lame. Well, we couldn't sign up for game chat. Let's see what this is about. Welcome to Nintendo Switch 2. It's been a long wait, but the Nintendo Switch 2 system is finally out in the world. We hope you're ready to embark on incredible new adventures that take full advantage of your shiny new system. You must be eager to start playing games, so you should do that. For those who are still around, let's go on a little tour. I thought that's what the game was for, that they charged $10. Nintendo Switch has a 1080p screen, and it's 4K 121 dot. There's extra USB-C up top. Gobbledygook. 256 gig storage. Micro SD cards are not compatible. We need CF. Okay. Controllers are magnetic. Oh, okay. I was talking about Metroid Prime 4. That's not out yet. Game chat. Oh, so I have to set up game chat to use the camera too. Alright, game share. We need one game. Share the game with any Nintendo Switch. I read about this. The game share essentially renders the game on your console and then broadcasts it to people around you. So they have to be essentially in the same room on the same Wi-Fi. Certain games are getting free updates. Pay to upgrade for certain games. Nintendo Switch 2 has to start the game share session. Okay, yeah. And it has to go through game chats, so I really do have to set up that phone number. How do I find out? Here. Aren't there free games? Oh, hey, this is what I wanted to know. What games are getting free updates? Scarlet Violet. Echoes of Wisdom. I have most of these. Okay. Wow, the eShop opens up so much faster. Okay, how do I... Where is F-Zero and everything else? How do I find that? Where's... Oh my god, is that it? Nintendo Switch Online? Do I have to go through here? That must be it, right? Is this giving me ads? I think that's an ad. Boy, I'm so lost right now. What the fuck is happening? Can they tout a whole bunch of free games like Tetris and... Oh, here we go. There it is. There it is. Damn. Took forever to find it. Ah, shoot. Also a useless guide. Nope, nope. I don't want a trailer. I just want to download it. How the fuck do I download it? Oh, there it is up top. Damn, dude. That took forever. Yes, let's download this. Everything's loading up faster. Well, we're waiting for Mr. Kim to wake up from his nap. But while we're waiting, I guess we could just boot up. Mario Kart World. First game I'm booting up on the Switch 2. Oh, okay. I believe it's going to be the same as this recording. It's in 1080p instead of 4K. Ooh. I turned the HDR off just so the color would look okay. I've never played Mario Kart. Any Mario Karts. This is my first ever. I think I own 7 on the DS. I bought 8. Oh. I bought 8 on Switch. I haven't even opened it. I like this music. Oh, I thought I was controlling it, and I thought I had stick drift. Is that the bumper? Okay, that's a bumper. What is stickers? App manual. Ooh, okay. Should just go in? Oops, nope. The buttons are different than my PlayStation. Oh, I'll learn all about that later.